Welcome back to the MacTech 3D. Today I am going to explain you how to do this mechanical component. In this we are going to use rectangle command and extruded base command. We are going to use only two commands. Select a new part file and select OK. First, whenever we see the drawing, from which plane we have to start the drawing, on which plane we have to start the drawing, that we must be known. In this drawing, see, if we start from the front plane, we have to use extruded cut feature also we have to use. So when we start from the top plane, we will be using only rectangle command and will be using extrude base command. Let us start from the top plane. We have to draw a geometrical shape in this way, as we can see from the top view, only this part. Select top plane followed by top view. Select rectangle command. Draw one rectangle. Rough sketch. Make dimension. This is 45. Width is 45. Length is 125. 45 into 125. 45. Length is 125 mm. Next, take line command. Draw one rough sketch this way. Make dimension. It is 25 mm. This is 45. Width is 45. 45 minus 25 is 20 mm. 20 divided by 2 is 10 mm. You have to make it exact center. So take it as 10 mm. From origin point to here, give it as 45 divided by 2. So now it will be exactly center of the origin point. Next, take a line command. Draw one rough sketch. Make dimension. This is, it will be as usual 10 mm. It will be 10 mm. Take it as 10. Here 45 minus 10 is 35. 35 divided by 2 is 17.5. Next, this is 37 mm. Enter 37, and from distance here to here it is 50 mm. Enter 50. So this completes the dimensioning. Okay, 50. Okay, this completes the dimensioning. Now, sorry, I made a mistake here. This thickness is 12 mm. We have entered as, okay, 12. Here 45. 45 minus 12 is 33. 33 divided by 2 is 16.5. Sketch a trim. Trim the unwanted lines. trim this line, this one and this one. Now from top view, from isometric view, it look like this. Okay, as per the dimension. Now select extruded base command. Okay, extrude a height of 35 minus 10. 35 minus 10 will give the height of, that is 25. Select OK. Now select again top plane, top view, take one more rectangle, draw one rectangle, make dimension 50 into 75, 50 mm, and this is 75. Now we make exact center, that is 75 divided by 2 is 37.5. Now it is in the exact center. Next, go for add relation. Select this edge and line, make it collinear. Now select isometric view, extruded base. Here we have to select reverse direction. We have to select reverse direction. Thickness of 10 mm. Enter thickness of 10. Select OK. So this is our part as per the given dimension.